Pigweed may be aggressively pulled from gardens throughout the United States and Canada, yet other people worldwide are actually cultivating this plant as a valuable food source. Without a doubt, pigweed has flourished and nourished people for thousands of years. So let's learn some more and stay tuned. Before I get started, if you could help support my efforts, I've put a link to my store page down below in the description, and I have a PDF that I wrote about pigweed. It has so much information, which includes recipes, how to preserve, and so much more, and your support would be greatly appreciated. Take a look at this. It's about 4 feet high. That's well over a meter. Pigweed is a powerful plant. It has so many strengths, not just nutritionally, and I'll let you know why in a bit. But check out that, multi-branched. So one plant can give us so much food. And each plant can produce, let's look here, can produce up to 100,000 seeds. Now, of course, these seeds aren't ready yet, but there are going to be plenty, that's for sure. And one thing when you're foraging, by the way, if you're looking for the seeds, let's do this. Be careful, because right now these feel fine, but once they fully mature, these can actually hurt as they have a very sharp texture. Now, pigweed packs a very serious nutritional punch. These leaves are loaded with vitamins A, some of the B vitamins, C, K, and they're a great source of calcium, which of course supports strong bones and our teeth. And look at these leaves. They're loaded with antioxidant compounds such as quercetin and rutin, and they help to combat the free radicals that roam in our bodies. They're loaded with flavonoids and other phenolic compounds. Recent studies suggest that pigweed may possess anti-inflammatory properties. Now, the presence of beta-carotene and omega-3 definitely help for that. Leaves and the seeds, and let me get in close here. The seeds are forming right in there. Now, they are a great source of fiber, and they promote healthy gut bacteria, which helps in digestion. And they can help alleviate constipation. They can help regulate our blood sugar levels, and they help to contribute to feeling full at the end of a meal without overdoing it. The seeds, when mature, are small, round, and they contain a complete protein. They have all 9 essential amino acids, which are vital for growth and development. And they boast even a higher protein content than wheat, rice, or sorghum. That's impressive. These seeds are easy to digest, in fact, much easier than soy, wheat, or dairy, and they can be ground into a meal or popped like popcorn. But they are really small, so it's kind of hard. Anyway, there are many different amaranth species, and they all get categorized as being an ancient grain. There's a reason for that. They've been around for thousands of years, and they're making a comeback, so to speak. Pigweed has the potential to be a very valuable crop, especially considering what's going on in our world right now. And the best part of all, pigweed has developed a resistance to that vile pesticide called glyphosate. Why do I call it vile? Well, if the lawsuits, including a very successful one indicating that glyphosate causes cancer, isn't enough, how about the research that indicates plants exposed to glyphosate can chelate? And that means if you're eating food that's sprayed with this chemical, which is a lot of our food in our grocery store, then what's happening is a lot of the minerals in your diet, including zinc and magnesium, iron, your body's not absorbing it. They're just exiting without getting the benefits from it. Enough said about that, though. If you've never eaten pigweed before, you're going to find it, well, different. It's slightly astringent, and it definitely has a semi-coarse feeling. So if you know about pig or lamb's quarters, which is very soft and mealy, it is different. And again, it's just so amazing what you can do with this in the kitchen. Now, it can be consumed raw, but it's usually steamed, sauteed, baked, broiled, or boiled, or put in soups. It's basically prepared somewhat like spinach, but it has a firmer texture. What I like doing with these is adding them into pretty much everything, including casseroles. The fresh leaves should be used immediately after picking, but they can keep in the fridge for up to a day. Now, if you like a couple of ideas of what to do with these, I'll show you some pictures, and the links will be below. Last but not least, be sure to have your identification in check. And what I mean by that is this is pigweed, Amaranthus retroflexus. This is not Chenopodium, which means it's not lamb's quarters. So many people, for whatever reason, seem to mix the two up, and I don't know why. Bottom line, having proper identification is very important, and it doesn't matter whether the wrong identification still results in another plant being edible. That's not the point. I have a video I recently did about the comparison between lamb's quarter and pigweed, so be sure to watch that. It's in the description box below. Thank you for watching right to the very end. Your support is truly appreciated. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Share it in your social media. And see you next time.